Hello, welcome to Big Fish English. Let's continue our English conversation practice by describing this new picture. Take a moment to look at it and describe what you see.
Hello, Big Fish. In this picture, I see a playground with children playing basketball. Two boys are running with a basketball, and a man, who looks like their coach, is cheering them on.
Excellent! Can you describe what else is happening in the playground?
Sure, in the background there are some older people sitting on a bench, talking and laughing. There are also two kids playing on the climbing structure.
Wonderful! Let's capture some vocabulary here. You mentioned playground, basketball, coach, bench.
Yes, that's right.
Now, let's focus on some phrasal verbs. For example, cheering on is a great phrasal verb. The coach is cheering on the boys. Do you know what cheering on means?
It means to encourage someone by shouting supportively.
Exactly. Let's find more phrasal verbs from your description. How about sitting on? The older people are sitting on a bench.
Yes, I see. Sitting on means to be seated on something.
Perfect. Let's continue. What else do you see?
I see a girl holding a basketball, waiting for her turn to play. There is another boy next to her who is also waiting.
Great observation. We can use the phrasal verb waiting for. The girl is waiting for her turn. What does waiting for mean?
It means to stay in a place until something happens or someone arrives.
Correct. Now, let's summarize what we've learned. We've talked about cheering on, sitting on, and waiting for. Can you use these phrasal verbs in new sentences?
Sure, my parents always cheer me on during my soccer games. I love sitting on the couch and reading a book. I'm waiting for my friend to arrive at the park.
Excellent sentences. You're doing a fantastic job. Let's describe a bit more about the picture. Can you see any other activities or details?
Yes, there are some trees around the playground and it looks like it's a sunny day. There are a few clouds in the sky and the buildings in the background make it seem like this playground is in a city.
Very descriptive. Let's capture more vocabulary. Trees, sunny day, clouds, sky, buildings, city. And we can highlight the phrasal verb look like. The playground looks like it's in a city. Do you know what look like means?
It means to have an appearance that suggests something.
Exactly. Now, let's practice using look like in other sentences.
My brother looks like my dad. This food looks like it's very delicious. The weather looks like it's going to rain.
Perfect examples. You're getting really good at this. Now, let's wrap up with a final description. What would you do if you were at this playground?
If I were at this playground, I would play basketball with my friends. After that, I would probably sit on the bench and have a snack. I might also climb the structure and have fun exploring.
Excellent! You have used sit on again and introduced new vocabulary like snack and exploring. You did a fantastic job describing the picture and using phrasal verbs. Keep practicing, and you'll continue to improve your English skills.
Thank you. I had fun describing the picture and learning new words.
Excellent! You have used all the phrasal verbs correctly. Keep practicing these words and phrases in different contexts to strengthen your English skills. Great job today! Thanks for watching. Take care. Goodbye.